So we're back with a brand new product. This time we're checking out something from STM Goods. This is their Dux backpack 30-liter model. Let's open this up and talk about what you get. I'm actually already impressed, so let's see if it keeps the hype. It is not a tiny backpack. This is a backpack with 30 liters of storage in the backpack, which is really impressive. But if you're like me and you go to a lot of conventions or have a lot of gear, this is a great bag for you, specifically for that storage. So automatically you have a weather-resistant shell, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about rain getting in the way of your adventures. But you have a access hatch on the top, which will give you access to the top section, as well as a little pouch here. You also have a fold-out pouch, which you can store multiple things in, easy access. If you need like your power cords or your SD cards, anything like that, you have the ability to flip this out to get access to that, which is really nice. And then it just magnetically clips right there. And that'll stay up while you zip the bag up. Now, it also has multi-shelf storage on the unit. So you can see here, you can access it with a zipper bag that lets you go all the way through, but you have your multi-shelf, which is going to give you access to things like cameras or other things you don't want to get crushed in your transit. And then on this wing, you also have additional zipper pouches, mesh, and pieces of stick in. You can put, for instance, stabilizers or mini tripods in these side pockets. Very helpful. There's also a clip here if you want to put something on there dangling. You can do that as well. And what's more good than a side wing pocket? How about a two? That way, regardless of what side you're coming for, you have access specifically to both sides of it. And again, another mesh pouch here and a wider pouch here. This is good for like phones or additional items there. There's also another side pouch here and a side pouch here on the unit, which you can basically store things in, like tripods and the like. And you can extend that out to really get a lot more room on those pouches, which is really good. Another really impressive feature of the backpack is the interior quadrant of the back. So you have two spots here, one for like a tablet, one for a laptop. A really amazing feature of this is that the laptop does not actually go all the way to the bottom. There is a buffer, so if you were to drop the backpack, it's not going to be making contact to the bottom of your laptop. Additionally, this pouch in the bag is so large, you could fit a 17-inch laptop there or a MacBook. They're all going to fit without worrying about them getting damaged in the bottom, which is really nice. It's also incredibly soft. So for the MacBook owners, you don't have to worry about scratching your beautiful laptops. On the back side, you of course still have your extendable strap. For your chest to keep it really secure. Just covered it there, but I'll show you. Push button, pops. Push button, pops. Real easy, real simple. And then you also have this piece pops out here, so you can put something behind it. If you were like a skateboarder or you have anything slim you want to put there, you can definitely do that. Another incredibly cool feature are these straps here on the shoulder beam. You can say, for instance, put your phone in there as you're walking. It's got an extra free hand in essence. holding your phone on your chest like that, which is really nice. You can also, if you want, you can put that on there the other way and maybe use it as a little walking camera, filming yourself as you're walking. Not a bad idea. But yeah, I mean, it's a really heavy duty bag. You're talking about a ton of storage, and durable storage at that, which is really cool. And they even give you this little bag here that you can put on the bottom that you can put your little accessories in to organize. Really awesome. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna fill this up with our normal stuff from, say, for instance, going to conventions like CES, our cameras, our lenses, and the like. And that way you can see what this looks like when fully loaded. We'll be right back. It's a really amazing backpack. You know, with security checkpoints at events and places becoming more and more common, the thing I really like about that one is the side pouches. So when you're at places like CES with the security, you can easily just unzip that side pouch and you can show them the interior of your backpack from a different angle, an easier angle to see everything that's in there. And that way you don't have to worry about having to unpack and unzip and pull things out and show them at the bottom if you do have them layered. Really convenient, real simple. Well, if you guys like that, hopefully you guys pick up that backpack for yourself, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.